Alright guys, welcome back to another video. What we're going to be doing today is I'm going to clean up my back seat and put my WeatherTech mats, and then we're going to go drive the crap out of it again. So, and voila. Now, time to get to the location to crank some VTEC. Here's my hot air intake. So this is where the stock air box goes into, and that's where the stock air box gets its cold air. Of course it's not enclosed, but if you look here, it's got this shield from the heat, and it's got these. So if you ever touch your stock air box in the summer after driving it hard, it is really hot. The black plastic is super hot. So I really don't think that this is sucking in as much hot air as everyone says it is. Anyways, I'm gonna set the GoPro down. VTEC does hit around 4,800 RPM. Max torque's at 52, so really it's got nothing till about 5,200 RPM, and then she starts pulling. Winter tires on right now, so I don't want to go too fast. Not like this can go fast anyways. It cuts out at 220, 215, so. But I don't like going over 200 with the winters, just because they're cheap winter tires, so. And hopefully this is its last winter. And then we'll have to get something for next winter, which I'm undecided. I was supposed to get a G35, but I think I'm just gonna keep my SUV because I'm not having any luck selling it. And also the only good deals on G35s are like 10-hour drives, so one way. So I need like 20 hours. I can't be gone that long from the dogs, so unfortunately I'm gonna be keeping the SUV for the winter, and then next winter I'll have it sold and I will either get a G35X, G37X, or we are gonna get the IS350 all-wheel drive for the girlfriend, and I'll make some videos with it. Also, I'm gonna be getting some lights. I don't care if it's rice or what you guys want to call it, but it will brighten up. I miss my Fusion amber lighting. It had lights underneath, it had lights in the cup holders, so I would like to get some lights for the floor and for the cup holders so you guys can see better at night. Wanted to do a couple pulls and sounds with the intake before I take it off for the winter. I don't really like running it in the winter. It's probably the best time to run it because it's actually getting really cold air sucking in, but unfortunately our past couple winters have been rainy and slushy, and I just don't want to risk anything like the roads flood over, and I just don't want to risk sucking up water into the intake. So I am going to take it off. So you know what that means. That means I'm going to have to go with a muffler delete or a Borla Pro XS part number 40357. So for an extra maybe $300, I'd get the Borlas instead of the muffler delete. I just feel like there is already a lot of muffler deletes that you can kind of hear what they sound like. I'd like to hear something different for you guys, so an Accelerate J-Pipe with the Borla. I'm curious to see what it sounds like. There's a couple clips of the Borla, but they don't rev it up enough. There's no driving by with a wide open throttle or anything. They just kind of rev it to about 3-4 grand and that's it. So, and another thing is when you're just idling or parked and revving it, it doesn't sound as good as when it's under load and when you're driving. So I would like to see what it actually sounds like. So next summer I am gonna get the Accelerate catback, but I wanna get everything at once. I think they can give you a better deal if you buy the full exhaust all at once. I already bought the J-Pipe, unfortunately. That came to almost $900 Canadian. So if you're in the US, it's like $500, but with shipping and customs and the exchange rate, once it gets to the door, I had to pay another $100-something. It's just ridiculous. So it's really expensive. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get a deal if I buy the Accelerate high flow precats and the Accelerate catback with the third cat delete. Correct me if I'm wrong. There is an Accelerate third cat delete on their site, but the J-Pipe says it deletes the third cat. So I don't really know if the third cat delete is a part of the J-Pipe or the third cat delete is after the J-Pipe. But I'm gonna figure it out obviously before I go ahead and buy anything that I don't need. But I do want full exhaust and tune by next summer. That is something you guys want to see. That is something I want to see, and it's gonna make for some good content. So stay tuned. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like if you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment. I do my best to keep up with the comments, and because there's nothing worse than someone makes a video, you want to ask about the video or the car and they don't answer. Just don't put a video up if you're not going to answer people, in my opinion. But anyways, that's another reason I started this channel, is just there's not enough info or support on the 4th gen on YouTube anyway. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, brakes, 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 brakes.